Most people wake up every day scrambling for a new content idea, wasting hours planning, filming, and editing, and then they wonder why they never grow. But what if I told you that you could plan out an entire year's worth of content in just a few hours? Today, I'm going to show you how to do exactly that using Notion, AI, repurposing, and a simple system that will save you hundreds of hours. Let's go. Before we break the system down, you need to understand why most content creators fail and why most businesses never stay consistent. They have no system. They post randomly with no structure. They do everything manually. No automation, no delegation. They don't repurpose, wasting effort instead of maximizing reach. They lack a long-term vision. They create for today, not for a scalable future. If you want to actually grow and make money from content, you need a strategy, not just random posting. Let's break it down. Step number 1, define your content pillars. What will you talk about? Most people try to talk about too many things, which confuses their audience and kills their growth. Instead, you should pick 3 to 5 core content pillars that align with your brand. Each pillar should solve a pain point for your audience. For example, a marketing agency might have content strategies, how to plan, structure, and post content. Lead generation, how to attract and convert clients. Automation and AI, how to save time using tech. Scaling and systems, building a business that runs itself. If your content isn't focused, your audience won't know what to expect, and confused people don't follow. Step number 2, set up your content planning hub in Notion. If you don't have a central system to track your content ideas, you'll always feel scattered. Use Notion as your content HQ. Create a content pipeline, an idea bank, brainstorm video topics, to scripted, of videos with completed outlines, a filmed section for videos ready for editing, a edited section for videos finalized and scheduled. Use a calendar view to map out when each piece goes live. Your content shouldn't live in your head. It needs a structured system so you always know what's next. Step number 3, batch film and delegate editing. Filming one video at a time is the biggest time waster in content creation. Batch record 5 to 10 videos in one day. Use an editing agency so you never touch post-production. Have a content manager or VA schedule and post everything. If you're still editing your own videos and manually posting everything, you're slowing your own growth. Let the systems do the work. Step number 4, repurpose long-form content into short-form clips. Most creators waste their best content by only posting it once. How you fix this is by starting with a long-form video like a YouTube video or a podcast. Break it into 5 to 10 short-form clips for TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. Repurpose quotes from the video, key insights, and clips into tweets and carousel posts. One long-form video can easily turn into 50 plus pieces of content. You just need a system to extract and distribute it. Step number 5, automate posting and track performance. Manually posting content every day is a waste of time and makes consistency harder. How you fix this is using a scheduling tool like Metricool or Later or HubSpot to schedule all posts across platforms. Set up Zapier automations so posts can just go out automatically. Track analytics weekly to double down on what's working. If you're still posting manually every day, you're working way harder than you need to. Automate everything so you can focus on growth. Now that you know how to structure your content, let me show you exactly how to plan a full year's worth of content in one day. Step 1, brainstorm 50 to 100 ideas using your content pillars. Step 2, organize them into your Notion content hub. Step 3, schedule your filming days for the next 3 to 6 months. Step 4, set up an editing and repurposing team. Step 5, automate the posting schedule. Once this system is set up, your content will run without you manually grinding every day. This is how the biggest brands stay consistent, and now you can do the same. Now you know exactly how to plan your content for the rest of the year. But the real question is, will you actually do it? Drop a comment below with how far ahead you plan your content, and subscribe for more high-level business strategies. Also, like this video if you found this valuable. Thank you.